All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We're doing our very first 3D print of the Cobra, also known as Black Thunder, with my modifications too. This is just the test flight. We're just going to be flying GPS just to make sure everything's working correctly and before we start adding all the final touches. So further ado, let's get this thing in the air. All right, let's get it back in the air. All right. This thing is amazing. So it is heavier. So we're gonna do the left yaw, right. Looks good. So, where are you going? All right, so it looks like the return of hope kicked in, but it was trying to fly away. Well, sorry guys, it flew away. Looks like there's some vibration in the three-bladed head. Huh. All right, let's do a further check. That was about 3 minutes. Shouldn't be that dead. But, all right, let me go get the other battery buzz checker, and then we'll see what's going on. Okay, for the very first maiden flight, that was pretty good. We did have a kind of a slight flyaway that kind of went off camera when it went in its failsafe. It was trying to land in the middle of the field over there when it took off over here, but I was able to get it back into GPS and exit out of the return home. We only got a 3-minute and I want to say 39-second flight time, which is not that good. Considering on a 3,000 milliamp battery, I was getting about 8 minutes to 6 minutes. So it is heavier, but you know, it is what it is. But I'm not disappointed in the helicopter. I really like it. The very first 3D print Cobra helicopter with Blue Thunder, some Blue Thunder original parts to make it Black Thunder. So I'm very happy with my Black Thunder. If you notice, the gun is off because it likes to vibrate off in midair and fall in the snow. So we're not gonna be digging that out. So there's a little bit of fine tuning I gotta do for this lovely helicopter. So I'm gonna just start working on it. But for now, I can kind of say it's airworthy. The only issues I have is when it's moving, it doesn't like to yaw to the right. And it could be that this might be a slightly off or steeper angle, so it's not getting its pitch correctly. Also, when it is in hover, I kind of see like this little wobbling, like one of the blades when it's spinning really fast, like one goes up, one goes down. So I've never seen that before. But it could just be a 3-bladed head. But let me know in the comments what that kind of is. That would be kind of great. But overall, the 3-bladed tail works really good. It's actually pretty quiet for what this helicopter is. And yeah, so I think it's good to finish the decals and do all the little fine tuning and touch-ups to finish this beautiful Black Thunder. So hope you enjoy this video and have a good one.